Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use shortcut app. A shortcut is a quick way to get one or more tasks done with your apps. The shortcuts app lets you create your own shortcuts with multiple steps. With this app on iPhone, you can automate tasks you do often, saving your time and effort. Also, with Shortcut app, you can choose ready-made shortcuts from the gallery, build your own shortcuts using different apps, run shortcuts from the Shortcuts app, the home screen, the Shortcuts widget, Apple Watch, the share sheet of another app, or Siri. So, to use the Shortcuts app on an iPhone, you have to open the Shortcut app. You can add a new shortcut and then you have to test it with adding the action. So that is how you are going to use shortcut app, and that is how shortcuts app are used for. Thanks for watching.